New year, better me. Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Happy New Year. If you're new to my channel, my name is Emily. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos of beauty, skincare, lifestyles. I'm doing it all because I want 2026 to be the best year for all of us girlies and our glow up season, because this is the year we are about to glow up. I am going to be talking about the new Hairvivi wig, glueless wig. And this is a wig for beginners like myself because I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to wearing wigs. I have been seeing so many good reviews of the Hairvivi wig. So let's check it out. So here is the packaging of the Hairvivi wigs. Look how pretty this is. This is so gorgeous. And I want to open it with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up together. Pretty, real pretty ribbon. That's got Hairvivi all on it. So beautiful box. And it has some flowers on there. And of course, it's got like a rose gold logo. And this is so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, look at this. So it comes in this really pretty card. And it says, your personal stylist, unblemished right away. Let me see if you guys can see that. As my order information. And this right here, this wig is called Perfect for Newbies. The Catherine Wavy Brown. Balayage bangs 16-inch. And it is a cappuccino scalp color with 21-22-inch instructions, thanking you for your purchase and exactly how to put it on correctly. So newbies like myself that don't know how to put on a wig, this is how you do it. These are the steps right here. It also comes with this little, came with 2 clips and this headband stretcher to fit around your head, the back of your head. Right, for the moment of truth, here. And it's got Hairvivi, the tissue paper with a little sticker. And it's in this bag. And it also comes with a dust bag. And look at this. So gorgeous. But look at this. It smells so good. Like it's been freshly washed and already styled. If you guys can see. Look at this. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to try this on. It has a wig cap inside already sewn in. And again, it has the clips in the back. Okay, so yep. And then here is how the lace looks. So we'll cut it that way it looks. And look, you know, let me show you, because this is what really sold me with Hairvivi wigs, was how the lace literally matches with your skin. Like the camera doesn't do justice. You literally have to be in person to see what I'm talking about, but it literally blends in with your skin. So I'm hoping you guys can see this, but that is so amazing. Like, again, I don't know nothing about wigs. It's my first time. And when I saw this, that's what really sold me. And also it's glueless too, because I want the hair to look natural. And again, I have good hair. It's just, you know, I want color because, and I want to look different from time to time. So I can't wait to see how this looks. So we're going to try it on. I'm getting a wig cap anyways. Just let me tie my hair up real quick and let's get this baby on my head. Okay, so I think I got it on pretty good. Okay, let's go. If I'm putting this on wrong, again, let me know in the comments. I'm a newbie. Okay. Oh my gosh, this hair looks so good. I mean, ladies, so secure too. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna like slip off or anything like that. Literally, the lace, it literally blends in with your natural skin tone. Like, perfect for newbies, Catherine Wavy Brown, Balayage bangs. This is a 16-inch wig. You know, because I wanted to still look somewhat natural, but girl, what? Who? You can see how it looks in the back. New year, better me. Yes, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead because I want to be able to cut it and see exactly how it looks. I'm already ready to buy another one already because this is just, I love this. I don't have any clips, so I'm just going to use my little hair clip. There's my natural hair. And if I'm doing this wrong, don't come for me. Be gentle in the comments, please. My little scissors. I'm going to cut in the middle. Going with a dermaplaning razor. So I ended up getting this really cute rose gold one off of Amazon. And oh my gosh. And it's got like a heavy duty to it. Really, like this is so pretty. Take your razor and go. Oh wow. I'm gonna cut up here. Better tools. So. And I'm going gently because I'm not gonna sit. And what do you guys think? Fantastic. I'm officially a wig girly now. Like you can't tell me nothing. Like I love it. This is so gorgeous. Again, ladies, this is a wig by Hairvivi. This is perfect for newbies. The Catherine Wavy Brown 16-inch balayage bangs. This is gorgeous. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe because I will be making more videos when it comes to, of course, wigs, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, all that kind of content. And if there's anything that you guys would like for me to talk about or link into, we can always learn together. But yes, for the most part, thank you again for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next video.